This is how you access the ParentShield Portal. The login page itself is a new style progressive web app, so you can also install the portal on your phone for quick and easy access using facial recognition or fingerprint ID. Your secure login links directly to your child's SIM card, giving you full control. From setting restrictions and receiving alerts to monitoring call and text activity, all remotely without needing to touch the phone itself. Once you log in, the default screen is in the Calls tab. Here, you'll see a full list of all calls, including the exact date and time, who the call was to or from, and whether it was answered or not. If a call was answered, you'll have the option to listen to a full recording, download it or delete it. You'll also see missed and incoming calls here, something that you don't usually get on a standard adult phone bill, which tends to only show outgoing calls. If a call shows as not available, it simply means the recipient didn't pick up, so there's no call to listen to. If you notice a number you don't recognise or want to block, you can simply click on it and select Add to Block List. It's that easy to take action. If you'd like to add a name or label to a number, just click Add Name, and you can assign one. For data protection compliance, this information is stored only on your device, not on our servers. Now let's look at the Texts tab. You'll see every message sent or received along with timestamps and message content. Messages that were blocked will be clearly marked, and any that triggered your word alerts will be highlighted in red for quick attention. Even if your child deletes a message from their phone, it stays right here in your portal for review. And just like with calls, if there's a number you want to block from sending messages, click on it and add to block list. The Data tab gives you remote control over mobile data. You can turn the data on or off at any time. When it's off, your child can only access the internet via the Wi-Fi, for example at home. If the mobile data is on, your child can use the internet while out and about. You won't be able to see which websites they visit, but you can manage that by setting up the free parental controls on their phone. We've got easy to follow guides to help with this. Just reach out to our team or use the search bar at the bottom of the ParentShield website to access them. You'll also see a daily usage chart showing how much data has been used each day over the past 30 days. Now let's look at the Settings tab. This is where the real power lies. You can manage settings for each SIM on your account. At the top, you'll see your home numbers. These are your emergency contact numbers. They always work, even if allowances are used up, and are immune from any blocking mechanisms within the portal. You can also choose whether or not calls to and from these numbers are recorded. Next are the global recording switches. If they are turned off, you'll still see a log of calls or messages, but you won't be able to listen to or read them. Then there's Ultra Secure Mode, one of the most powerful features in the ParentShield toolkit. When Ultra Secure Mode is turned off, the phone behaves like a regular mobile, but with any numbers you've manually blocked still restricted. Switch it on and the whole system flips. Only the 2 home numbers and any contacts you've added to the safe list can communicate with the phone, either by calling or texting. Everything else is blocked by default. That means that if a number isn't on the safe list, your child can't call or text them, and they can't contact your child either. It effectively creates a totally closed user group, giving you complete control over who can reach the phone. You can manage the safe list in exactly the same way you handled the block list earlier, simply adding trusted numbers as needed. Next is push notifications, one of ParentShield's most loved features. Once you install the Portal app on your phone and switch this on, you'll get instant alerts for important events like calls or texts to or from a new contact. You can even fine-tune which alerts you receive, such as notifications only for new correspondence. Clicking the notification takes you straight to the relevant screen in the portal so you can check things out. This feature even works with basic feature phones like a 2G Nokia 105 with no internet access. It's something our customers in the smartphone-free community are genuinely blown away by. Here you'll see time controls, the most used feature. You can set a start time in the morning, say 8 a.m, and an end time for bedtime, like 9 p.m. Outside of those hours, there are no calls, no texts, and no mobile data until the next morning. There's also a separate switch for blocking during school hours. When enabled, this adds an extra layer on top of your time controls, automatically blocking calls, texts, and mobile data between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Monday to Friday. The only exceptions to these blocking rules are the home numbers, the emergency services, and protected numbers like Childline. Those always work, no matter what restrictions are in place or whether allowances have run out. Now let's cover machine-to-person messages such as verification codes for apps like WhatsApp. If you disable this, those messages will never reach your child's phone. Instead, they'll be captured in the portal and you'll get a notification. That way, you're always aware if your child is trying to enable an internet-based communication app, and you can have that important conversation with them. Now let's talk about word alerts, one of ParentShield's most powerful and proactive safety features. It's designed to help you stay aware of potentially worrying conversations without needing to read every single message. You can enter trigger words or phrases, anything from slang terms to unsafe language, to words relating to bullying, mental health, or inappropriate content. The system will then scan every SMS sent to or from the phone, and if any of those words are used, you'll receive an instant alert on your own phone. It's subtle, it's private, and it gives you a valuable early warning if something doesn't feel right. And in the portal, any messages that matches your alert list will be highlighted in red, so you can quickly identify which one triggered the alert. It's an incredibly helpful tool, not just for spotting danger, but for opening up important conversations with your child at the right time. Finally, here's something we're really excited about. A brand new feature that's just gone live across the network, cell tower tracking. This is a tool that gives parents an extra layer of reassurance. When GPS isn't available or the phone doesn't have built-in location services, which is often the case with simple feature phones or so-called dumb phones. When you press the Find Cell Tower button, you'll get a map showing the last known cell tower that your child's phone is connected to, along with some handy extra information like when it was last connected and how accurate the location might be. Now, it's important to understand that this is nothing like as accurate as GPS location of the phone. Instead, it shows the location of the nearest mobile mast, so it can help build a picture of where the phone was, which is especially useful if you're using a 4G non-smartphone, where GPS just isn't an option. Because this works using mobile data records from the network, the phone does not need to have 4G capabilities and mobile data enabled, even just briefly, to refresh the location. So this feature is available from Safe Stage 2 and up, where data is included. But you can still keep the phone offline most of the time and just toggle the data on remotely when you want to get a location check. We're proud to be the first UK network offering this directly to families. And that's your ParentShield Portal, packed with tools to help you tailor your child's mobile experience to suit their age, needs, and ability.